Don't bite me, okay? Don't bite me. Just sit down. You're gonna bite. You have a dish towel?
Yeah. Juliana, can you go get the dish towel hanging on the stove?
How do you get the napkin?
It's a towel hanging right on the oven.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to love the bird.
Get the book. I don't think you should do that.
Why? Talk to him, you love him, and then you'll be excited.
Come on. It's really fun.
Thank you.
I want one. Get that smell.
Calm down, I'm not trying to get you.
Poor bird.
He's biting.
Oh, please don't let him go.
My mom said okay.
Look at him biting the towel. You're mean. Why are you so mean? It's okay.
Aww.
Mommy, I see it.
Hey.
I see.
I don't want to let him go. He'll fly away. Hi, guys. Don't touch him, though. He's trying to bite me.
Annie, get out. Go. Go. You're not going to eat a bird today. Wait, Tony. Oh, God.
You're biting my shirt. Get off.
That's what these birds do.
I'm done.
That was fun. Now you guys, they're going to have a heart attack.
Open this, Mom.
Hey, birdies.